Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo. To begin your journey, first select a game mode that suits your style, whether it is a quick match or a ranked competitive experience. Next, spend a few minutes in the settings menu to customize your controls, ensuring they feel natural and responsive. Understanding the basic movement and aiming mechanics is crucial for success. Familiarize yourself with the heads-up display to track your health, shield, and ammunition levels effectively. Once you are in the game, mastering movement and positioning is key. Always use cover to your advantage, minimizing exposure to enemy fire. In objective-based modes, focus on completing the mission rather than just securing kills. Teamwork is incredibly powerful. Communicate with your allies and support each other. Observe your opponent's strategies and adjust your approach to counter their moves, staying one step ahead. Halo offers a diverse arsenal, and knowing each weapon's role is vital. For example, a battle rifle is excellent for mid-range engagements, often requiring 3 to 4 shots for a kill. Grenades can flush out enemies or deal area damage, while a well-timed melee attack can finish off a weakened foe. Power-ups like overshields provide temporary boosts, lasting around 20 seconds. Vehicles offer mobility and firepower, but remember they can be destroyed. To truly excel, dedicate time to learning each map's intricacies, identifying key power weapon spawns and advantageous positions. Consistent practice will sharpen your aim and reaction time, crucial for winning one-on-one encounters. Observing high-level players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and movement techniques. Remember, improvement is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation, so keep playing and refining your approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.